see you again, and I'd like to introduce you to someone. This is Penny.
Hello.
Hello, Penny!
Oh, my dear. I'm thinking I'm getting rather small in the middle. I think it's time for me to relinquish the red band.